This module is all about learning to talk to AI in a way that gets results. Just like giving clear directions to a helpful assistant, prompting is all about clarity. Let's dive in. Welcome back. You crushed the first module, now we're kicking it up a notch. This time, I'll show you how to actually talk to AI and get it to respond the way you want. We're going from curious user to confident pro, and I'll guide you every step of the way. Here's what you'll learn in this module: how to write prompts that actually work, how to use the RCC framework, role, context, and constraint, and how to avoid the common prompt traps most people fall into. Think of AI like a brilliant intern. If you're vague, the results are too, but if you're clear, the output shines. Prompts are how we guide the AI. When they're strong, your results improve instantly. The RCC framework is your new best friend. First, assign a role, like marketer or tutor. Then set the context. What's the task or situation? Finally, add constraints, word count, tone, or specific formats. Together, these three make your prompts powerful. Let's compare. Tell me about climate change is broad and vague. But try this. Act as a climate policy advisor. Summarize 3 global trends in 150 words. That's RCC in action. Role, context, and constraint. See the difference? Here are a few tricks. Start with a clear role, keep it grounded in a real task, and always guide the output, tone, length, or format. You'll be amazed how much better the results are. It's time to apply what you've learned. Take a task from your work or daily life, then write a prompt using RCC. Watch how the AI responds. You'll get better with every try. Even pros make mistakes. Don't be too vague, don't overload the prompt with 10 questions at once, and always define the context. If you keep things clear and specific, you'll stay on track. You've learned how to guide AI with clarity. RCC, role, context, and constraint is the formula. You've seen examples, practiced writing prompts, and now you're ready to get real value from the tools you use. In Module 3, we'll unlock how to use AI when you're stuck. Brainstorming ideas, making decisions, or planning fast. You won't want to miss it. See you there.